What's up YouTube, Smiling Squash here, back with another video, and today we are doing our 4th cereal unboxing? Here we are back at it again, more cereal. I've never heard of these two cereals. I hope these taste good. It started when I saw this one at the store. You know, I was like, emojis. Then I saw Minecraft, I'm like, oof. And then Pokemon. There's people out there on the internet that think are satanic. They have really bizarre reasons as to why. I don't know if I've told you guys this before, but I'm a Christian, and sadly, most of these people that claim these things are satanic are Christian. It's not going to stop me from bashing them. So, yeah. Let's get on with the video. This one's the closest. Thank God. 1 second. Enter for your chance to win. Register at cinemojimeet.com. Enter the code given. You're in. We'll email you if you won a personalized box or Cinnamon Toast Crunch swag. I'm gonna do it. Hold on a second, guys. You gotta be careful. The demon's trapped in this box. I hear them calling my name. Oh. Also, I forgot to mention, smash like and subscribe to the patch today. We're trying to get to 100 subs. If you are interested in this channel and what we do, tell a friend about it. Most of this is just going to be me being weird, so brace for impact. I don't know what will happen. Pray for me. I'm gonna be honest with you. I don't even see any faces. That's disappointing. So, what's the verdict? What is the juice about this cereal? It's good. You know, Cinnamon Toast Crunch. It's good. Not as good as OG Cinnamon Toast Crunch. So, best believe though, I'm gonna put myself in that raffle. The next one. Minecraft Creeper Crunch. Character creator. Discover your play style. Bring your unique personal style in-game by customizing your character from head to toe. Dress up your Minecraft Bedrock Edition characters in unique clothes. There's a special code inside each box of Minecraft Creeper Crunch cereal box. Unlocks one of 13 unique character creator clothing items. That's cool. So far, 2 different cereals, 2 rewards. Possible for the Cinemoji one. That's a raffle. What flavor is it? Cinnamon flavored cereal with marshmallows. I don't like this cinnamon smell. I like the Cinnamon Toast Crunch smell. It smells like they put too much cinnamon in here. Is it any good? And now, kids, Smiling Squash will show you the 5 stages of grief. Stage 1, denial. Stage 2, anger. Stage 3, bargaining. Stage 4, depression. And finally, stage 5, acceptance. Minecraft. We need to talk. So, you make really good games, right? You make Minecraft. That's about it. You're making all these updates, and you know, you wanna become more popular. So you made a cereal, which is, you know, cool. Stick to those updates, though. You pushed back the Caves and Cliffs update and had to split it into 2 parts, and now we didn't get the Warden in the Caves and Cliffs update. We have to wait for the Wild update, probably because you were too busy making this. Stick to making cereal. I want the Warden, okay?
Stick to making cereal?
Wait, stick to making games. That's what I meant. Stick to making games. This cereal sucks. It tastes like styrofoam. It tastes like how I felt when I was told we weren't getting the Warden. Lost and dead. Oh. Lost and dead. Like the souls of the underworld. Y'all know the drill. Oh shoot. We're going. Alright, Pokemon. What are these demonic creatures that support evolution? And what is this? Seriously. Is it? What is it? What is it? 150 calories. Let's put it in my mouth. This one should be interesting. Wow. League's better than Minecraft. Of course, this one has less calories, so that makes sense. I need to be cleansed. Some might say the Bible. Well, the next best thing to the Bible in a cereal unboxing video is a cereal based off a Bible verse. I mean, come on. This will cleanse us from the evil which is consumed. Don't know what got into me. It's okay. Well, I just poured myself way too much cereal. But I believe I am cleansed now. Best cereal I had today was, you already know the answer. The first one. I don't know why I made this video, but, you know, I just wanted to make a video and be wacky. I think we achieved that. But that concludes today's video. If you guys enjoyed, please be sure to smash the living heck out of the like button. Subscribe to the patch. Today, we're going for 100 subs in a month. 1 month. That's the goal. I feel it coming very soon. So I love you guys. I'll see you all in the next video. Don't be a cactus. God bless. Don't stress. Take care of yourself. Stay away from demons. I mean, what can I say to this? It was demonic, right? You saw what happened. I had no choice but to do this. If you knew something was demonic, wouldn't you try to save your family members by wasting everything? Heck, I'd do what the British did in the 1700s. I'd take whatever it was, dump it into the into the Atlantic Ocean, the Boston Harbor. I know you would too. Don't give me that look. Don't tell me that you would not do the same thing. I can't believe that you wouldn't do that. Oh my, I am upset.